To download Windows 10 ISO file to burn it later on a DVD or on a CD or even on a USB key or flash drive, you will have to go to your browser. Any browser will work for it. You go to your search tab and you type Windows 10 download. You press enter. You open the first link, download Windows 10 disk image ISO file, Microsoft. Make sure that you are selecting www.microsoft.com because this is the official website and the download will be without any viruses. So we'll just click on it. You will find the link below the video. You will have to wait a few seconds until it appears. So here you have the option to either make the update since it's available, or create Windows 10 installation media, which can be a DVD or a USB flash drive. So we'll just click download tool now. We will save the file. We will click to open it, and you will be prompted to accept on a Windows computer to allow it to run. So you will just click yes and allow it to run. You will have to wait a few seconds and then a small window will appear, as you can see in my screen. It might take a few moments from Windows to get few things ready before you get prompted and request to select the option, so you will have just to be patient and to wait a few moments. As you can see, this is the license agreement or license terms, so you will have just to go through it and read it, and if you accept everything in it, you can just click accept. Be careful, if you click then decline, then you will not be receiving the ISO file and you will not be able to download it. So personally, I just click accept and wait again for a few moments, just the times that few things get ready, and usually it takes up to 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Now you are being asked, what do you want to do? So here the first option is to make the upgrade this PC now, which will make an upgrade to your computer straight. And here we have the second option, which is create installation media, USB, flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. So we'll just select yes and we'll click next. Here you will have to select the language version, so you can go through and find your own native language. And here the edition, it's Windows 10, and here the architecture, you have 64-bit or 32-bit. If you select that you want both, then you will need a bigger space in terms of flash drive or DVD, and you will also need longer time to have it downloaded. So we'll just stick to 64 and we will click next. Here you have the option to burn it straight to USB flash drive, and you need at least 8 gigabit, and here you have the ISO file to be downloaded. So from here, if you want, you can just click ISO file and you will click next and you will get a download. You will have to select a space where you want to save it, so that, as you can see, ISO file, so I will just name it Windows 10 64-bit and I will click save and it will start ongoing. Here you see the progress, and you will have just to wait for a few minutes, up to 15-20 minutes maximum, depending on your computer speed and also on your internet speed, and then it should be done. I will stop the video here, and as soon as it's finished we will continue. Now the Windows 10 has been downloaded, the ISO file. Now I can burn it in a DVD or on a flash drive. For each you will need a software. So for a DVD you will need a software to burn it, and there is many of them which are free and open source. And also to burn it into a USB you will need a software which is also available for free, and you can download it from the websites online.
Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.